Welcome sa mga Lutong Bahay ni Inday. In this video, we will be cooking Bangus Belly Bistek. So here are the ingredients. The first step would be to cut the bellies into serving sizes based on your preference. After cutting the bangus bellies, we will marinate them using lemon, soy sauce, and black pepper. After mixing together, we will leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, gisahin na natin si garlic. And we make sure na golden brown si garlic before natin isunod ang kanyang friend na si onion. So yung gagamitin natin dito is yung white onion. Of course, lutuin ko rin na tubig. After that, prepare natin si kamatis. Okay, ayan si kamatis. And if you can remember, yung sauce na ginamit natin to marinate bellies, yun yung gagamitin natin dito na sauce. Ayan, isusunod natin siya. So, i-drain natin yung sauce ng marinated belly. There you go. Ayan. Ilagay natin isa-isa yung belly. So after putting all the bellies, don't forget to put our 1 cup of water. Let it simmer for a few minutes hanggang sa maluto. We hope that you learned something from this video on how you can prepare your bangus belly, and this is the closer look. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope to see you again in our next Lutong Bahay ni Inday.